Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Twitter pre-roll campaign tutorial. A Twitter pre-roll campaign is an advertising strategy where short video ads are played before the main content in a user's feed or before videos they are about to watch. These ads are typically 6 to 15 seconds long and are designed to capture the viewer's attention quickly. Here's how you can create and run effective Twitter pre-roll campaign. Twitter has an interesting campaign type called pre-roll views. What you do here is you launch a video ad campaign, and it's going to piggyback off some sort of big credible brand. So to create this, hit Create Campaign, click on Advanced, click Next, and select Pre-roll Views. Now call a campaign whatever you want. You can choose A/B testing, advanced, etc. Call the ad group whatever you want. And set a budget, let's say $10 per day. Let's put the total budget as $1,000. Run indefinitely. And we can set the goal as either pre-roll views, 6-second pre-roll views, 3 seconds / 100% pre-roll views, or 15-second pre-roll views. So what I'm gonna go with here is the longest option, 15 seconds. And I'm gonna stick with auto bid. You can see that what I'm paying for here is pre-roll video start. Frequency cap, automatically optimize ad frequency, or we could set a cap of say 7 impressions in 7 days. I would say impression cap's probably more important when you're working at a large company or in certain situations. For example, you're not running an impulse purchase campaign. In cases like that, you're gonna wanna go with a low impression, but higher impressions are gonna be a bit more relevant if you're not a well-known brand or if you're selling an impulse purchase. Pacing, standard in this case, or accelerated if you really want to get some quick results, some quick test results. Demographics, you generally want to exclude children depending on your case. In this example, I might even want to go starting up at 21 up to say 49. Term in your language, let's go with English. Can specify locations. I have the United States here. We could add in Canada. Devices, let's just check them all off in this case. Desktop is going to be more conservative if you want to go with that. Now targeting is going to be very important. We can target on keywords, follower lookalikes, interests, movies and TV shows, events, conversation topics. Let's just go with conversation topics and go with marketing as an interest. We have some retargeting options. We have optimized targeting, which I don't want to go with in this example. Now we have 2 options here that are specific in this type of campaign. We can target the publishers that are in standard categories or curated categories. So in standard categories, we have automotive. That's, I think, relevant. Comedy, irrelevant. Digital creators, gonna be relevant. Entertainment, no. Financial and business news, yes, relevant. Food and drink, not relevant for this example. Lifestyle, not relevant. News and current events, maybe let's be a bit conservative here and say no, because it's just pretty broad, right? Who isn't gonna follow news and current events? There's also a lot of that on Twitter, so I feel like it would skew a little too much towards that if I had it check off. So I'm gonna uncheck it. Science and education, let's keep that. Technology, let's keep that. Now I just selected 5 different categories there, but we also could have gone with this option, that created categories section. And here we're able to see specific examples. So for example, under basketball, I can hit view publishers, and I can see, do any of these stand out? Celtics on NBC Sports, Chicago Bulls. We have some really nice credible publishers there. So maybe we want to select that, or esports, or parents, or millennials, or lifestyle, winter holidays, health and wellness, men's culture and lifestyle, and soccer US. For demo purposes, I'm just gonna go with the standard categories and go with this option, digital creators. And if we hit the down arrow, we can see that this is 153 publishers. You can also choose to exclude certain publishers if you wish. Down here for the videos that you're promoting, and this is pre-roll, so these are video campaigns. Just select your videos and let's add a call to action. It's actually optional, but I definitely want to have that. I'm gonna say visit And let's just put in a website here, and we hit next. And we receive a little warning here. So you see this little red icon with the exclamation mark. What this is you must select an IAB category that describes your brand. So you just go in here and select what category or industry you're in. For this example, let's just say media and entertainment. Then hit next. Now that I've done that, I'm going to be able to launch the campaign. So what this does is it enables you to piggyback off brands that already have credibility to enhance the chances that people are actually going to watch your video or even just to pay attention to your ad in the first place. It also negates the need to go to publishers, go to influencers, ask for permission, negotiate a contract, and figure out some way of doing some sort of promotion through them. You can do it all through Twitter or X itself. I compare it to doing something somewhat like what they had earlier, which is the ability to target influencers' followers or the followers of lookalike followers of certain Twitter accounts. But in this example, you're actually leveraging the brand as part of the ad. What they've really done here, interestingly, with the pre-roll campaigns, is they've allowed you to decouple the credibility of the brand from the targeting options. So you can see that when we created this campaign, we were actually able to specify targeting based around interests or keywords and didn't necessarily need to rely on targeting the profile's followers, because one of the challenges with doing that, especially as you expand it to lookalikes, is that a lot of accounts are going to have fake followers. So you're really going to dilute who your target audience is. But if you're able to specify the targeting, then you can control for that but still get the credibility of the brand promoting your video. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively create and manage a Twitter pre-roll campaign that captures attention and drives results. Before we end this video, want to stand out from the crowd? Get the business with personalized outreach. Get Selli. Turn every prospect into a client using hyper-personalization on Facebook, LinkedIn, emails, and landing pages. Get 3 times more replies, 325% more conversions, and more sales from every message you send. Social media personalization. You can send personalized image messages on social media. Email personalization. Landing page personalization. Create landing page with personalized text and image. So what are you waiting for? Get Selli now. Just go to getselli.in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.